Welcome to Randy's Griddle. My name is Randy. This is a channel that's all about the griddle. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do General Tso's chicken and fried rice. So let's get to the ingredients. Okay, so our ingredients are chicken breast, and we put some cornstarch on that. We have day-old rice. We made that last night. Couple of eggs, chopped onion, chopped carrots, some garlic paste, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and we get at our local box store General Tso's sauce. Okay, so let's get the rice cooking. Put a little bit of oil down on the grill. Get the onion. And the carrot. Let that start to cook. Okay, and the carrots are starting to soften up and the onions are starting to soften up. Let's go ahead and get the rice on. And we'll add the garlic. And while that's starting to cook, we'll go ahead and get the chicken on. Get it all kind of separated out. Everything's starting to smell pretty nice. Okay, so we'll let that cook a little while and we'll be back. Okay, so let's add some hoisin sauce. I think 1 spoonful will do good on there. And we'll put a little bit of soy sauce on there. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this last burner off, and we're going to slide this on down this way. Slide it down there and let it hang out. Okay, let's get our eggs cooking. Put a little butter down. Okay, I think the eggs are about done. Okay, push that over to stay warm. Okay, so let's put on our chicken's done. Put some sauce on there. And I'm going to go ahead and turn these burners off because it will stay plenty hot. Let that sugar caramelize a little bit. Okay. Let's get some of this in the bowl. It's done. Get this rice put in a bowl. Okay. Let me turn back. Okay, so let's try this out. That is very, very good rice. Got good flavor to it. I'm waiting for this chicken. Here we go. That sauce is fantastic. It's really enjoyable. I just wanted to thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.